Welcome to the Navigator tutorial on how to do a research response rate report with breakouts and refining the population. In a previous tutorial, we've learned how to do a research response rate report. I'm using those same settings again. If we run the basic report, we see the same results that we did earlier, the 67.62% adjusted response rate. If we'd like to break out the population, we can click on the report settings at the top of the page and it opens up our window. Our settings are still saved, but now we can go in and break out the population. Say we'd like to do it by gender. We select gender, hit run report. The report will then run again for us, and it will show us the same result of the entire population. This time it shows it broken down into females and males. If we'd like to dig a little deeper into our breakouts and or filtering, we can go back up and hit report settings. When you go back into this report settings window, you have to remember to reselect what your breakout was previously. Navigator does not save this in the breakout population selection. So we're going to select gender, and then we're going to refine the population. So how should we do it? Well, let's take a look at region, what our operator is going to be. We're going to do equals, and right now it's coming up west. I'm going to select east, so we're going to take the region equals east. We're going to click and hold on it, and we're going to drag it to the resulting filter statement. What this is going to do for us now, it's going to break out the population according to gender within the East region. Let's hit run report and see what happens. So according to our filter and our breakout, our total loaded in the East region was 267 people. According to our breakout, we had 227 females and we had 40 males. We also still see our total loaded into the entire population, and then we have our adjusted response rates for our East region, for males in that region, and for females in that region. If we'd like to go in and adjust those for whatever reason, we can once again do that. First thing we want to do is remove any filter statements that aren't going to be associated with our adjustments. Then we're going to go back in and select the breakout again, which we want as gender. We're going to go in, and instead of doing region, we're going to select by facility. We're going to check equals to, and then we're going to choose the facility that we'd like to choose, Springfield, Ontario. We'll then drag and drop into our resulting filter statement, click run report, and there we go. What this report shows is our entire Springfield, Ontario population of 40 that were totally loaded, broken down into females and males. Thank you for joining this Navigator tutorial.